Hi, and welcome to Royal Oak Ford Service Department. We are one of the highest rated service departments in the Detroit region. One of the reasons we are rated so highly is the quality of our service technicians, our facility, and our state-of-the-art equipment. One of the things we've just added to our service department is we updated our alignment system with the new Hunter alignment systems. It is a very technically advanced system that allows us to meet all the specifications and the readings that are required by Ford Motor Company. So when you bring your vehicle into Royal Oak Ford, if it has an alignment issue, if your vehicle is pulling, or any of those needs, we're going to take care of it with our new alignment system and our qualified Ford service technicians. The best quality, the best technicians, and the best service here at Royal Oak Ford.